Hello guys, and congratulations on your new Rally add-on. This is the Remotek One Rally add-on, which is basically a toggle, which gives you two more buttons, and I'm going to show you how to mount it. Okay. Take your original Remotek One and unscrew the bottom lid. Okay, almost done. And take out that front screw or one of the screws, because you want to reuse that. And just put the lid to the side. You can save it for later if you want, but you're not going to use it from now on. In the new add-on, the rear bolt, this one here, is already connected, already mounted, because it's a bit awkward to get in there, so I've pre-mounted them for you. The front one you just move over. Now look at the contact. It's got a black side and a white side. The black side is going to be down onto the PCB, and just bend the contact and the cables a little bit so it's easier to enter. Then you find the way into the contact like this, and just press it in until it snaps in place, and that's it. Okay, so when you want to mount the controller now, just twist the controller in one or the other direction so that the cable will go into a loop and not get pinched anywhere, and just fit it on. Okay, now there's a Torx tool following the toggle, so this one you're going to get in the package, but I got a better tool, so I'm cheating. Okay, and just tighten it until you can see the parts coming together. Do not over tighten it, there's no reason to. And the same on the other side. We use the screw from the original, and that is it. Now you got yourself a rally controller. The toggle will now, with your original firmware, if you don't, before you change the firmware, it will do the same in map mode as plus and minus. So you got zoom in your maps on both the toggle and the plus and minus buttons. In media mode, it'll send function buttons F4 and F5, so you can map it, for example, in PIST to scroll the roadbook. If you want more functions, then update the firmware as described in the manual through our app, and which is pretty straightforward. Okay, to mount it, you put on the rubber strip first, and then simply tighten the Allen key. That's it. Good luck, guys.